Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. It's another one of the basic exercises, very simple one. Let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make, of course, a screenshot, but I think it's very easy and you should be able to remember those values. But anyway, let's have fun with Fusion 360. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane. I need a rectangle which is 118 by 56, and this origin should be the midpoint of that line here. Finish that sketch. Let's make a symmetric extrude. Symmetric, go for the complete length, 60 millimeter, and confirm. Now I want to switch to different view style, like that. Okay, now I'll go for a fillet. Let's go for a full round fillet. Yes. And that would be the center face. That looks okay. Confirm. Let's do another one. And this would be the center face. Like that, yes. And confirm. Now I need another sketch on that plane here. I want to go for a circle. Diameter should be 60. The distance between those 2 points should be 30. And this point and that point should be aligned vertical. Finish that sketch. Let's go for another extrude. It should be symmetric and it should be joined, and the distance should be 60 millimeter. Great. Now let's go for a hole. Select the face and move it to the center here. It should go through all and the diameter should be 30. Go for another hole, select the face, move it to the center here. It should again go through all and the diameter should be 32. Confirm. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.